My people, now welcome me. Thank God the police don finally go catch the girl who be say they say na be the person who be say go kill Ataga, the billionaire who be say be Super TV CEO. Thank God though, police don finally go arrest this girl. This girl don begin dey confess am. Make I tell una wetin be say e happen. All the rumors wey don dey go on since na lie, na the rumor be o. This one around so na the koko wey be say e dey for the true matter. Wetin be say e happen. This girl so e name na Chidinma o, fine girl na e be o, na even mass communication sef na she dey study for Unilag. Papa mama go send you go school, say make you go school, make you go study for this life, make you for graduate with better results, make you come become somebody wey be say go dey relevant to the society and make you dey relevant to your own self, make you for contribute to the community. You say na sugar daddy na you wan go follow, you say na sugar mommy you wan go follow. Your mate go dey school, they go dey read book, you go talk say na club upon club, make you dey smoke cigar, make you dey smoke igbo. Say na that one dey rain, say na pinging, if not be blackberry, e go be iPhone. Rain say you wan follow the trending and the pinging girls, na you take go land yourself for this one. So he say this man so, this Mr. Ataga so, say don't tell me say two of them no, say na why you see two take like that can run from 4 to 5 months, and they tell no, say they hang around once, you understand. You see on this faithful day so, and the man come call am o, say me they come, me they go dey do as the way they do before. They can't really go one restaurant, you offer enjoy, smoke, drink, enjoy, laugh, do go before they come go enter the kuku kunkun. You know what I mean, my sister, my brother, mo listing, aka gist na food. Now be after this girl and this man don drink finish, don smoke, don enjoy body finish, she can't reach the time where they can't take go out, she for go do that kiki nah. The girl can say she can't dey tired. As she dey tired, they say the man can't, they want they come closer to her. He can't say no, God beg. You know say the way I don't take dey tired like this. So as I just dey here, so I know say na wetin carry make more for us. Now we want come do so say, but now I don't dey tired. Make we all wait small. Later, if I don't get myself, we go continue. We go do the thing. He say that the man come begin carry o, say you dey crazy the man. I carry you come after I don't give you money finish. After I don't money for your account finish. After I don't flex you finish. Now I want come do the thing. Now you say no, say you know what come do. Say that the man come dey follow on the drag. Say the man come dey follow on the drag. Say no know you say this man for see knife. Say as he see knife, he come begin dey fear. Or make this man no go carry go buy am. Now he come begin dey follow this man now the drag. Say from there now, from there. Already because say the man don already see dey weak. She don see dey weak too. Now they come begin carry knife o, come begin carry, come take shook this man for neck. He say he come go under bed. As he go under bed now, he come dey try to dey drag the key. The man wan come see rush go carry the key. Now for there he come see drag body, make for see go carry the key. Now for there he come finally carry the key finish. Now he come see stab the man again. The way we say the girl take talk the story, my sister, the matter too go long. Chidinma, your papa and mama say you take go school. Now they want say you go put yourself. Now be this one so. Or in the name of say you want be rainy girl, or in the name of say you want be pingy girl. This one go serve as a lesson to una who be say be students, who be say that will send you men now go school, now go dey pour for what be say you not pour for una body. Now something like sugar daddy now una want go dey follow instead of not to take pour for school. He says so as he do finish now, he can carry the man ATM machine. I say he can carry the man ATM machine, my sister. No, I love your story. No go kill me for the one side this. So he can carry the man ATM card, can go ATM machine to go withdraw to go withdraw 380,000. I say the man don't really fair agree on say go take pay the man. Then they come begin they ask this girl now say, madam, what about the 5 million? Cause the girl say you know see use take see 5 million. When they come to say, but they go check your account, they see 10 million for inside. How manage the 10 million to enter your account? The girl deny we say that 10 million so they see for your account, so not be your account. Or you don't know 1, you don't know 2, you don't know 3 for the matter of my sister and my brother. I carry this matter come we can discuss. The way they see this matter so and look and say something there for this story so we say not clear. I don't know no matter what they talk but it gets something when we say they underground of this story when we say not clear. You know why I talk am? Because this girl too young when we say go take get the mind to take do what we say do. So I look and say she get support team or she get person when we say he back am up. We never can tell. We know say Nigeria anything can happen. See, you on your own, you dey innocent, we know. As the way you say they claim now her face take look innocent. How come you can't involve yourself for this kind of a, you can't involve yourself? Listen, person wey be say by accident he involve himself for this kind of a matter so if the thing happen finish
So when you escape,
then they see say the first thing the person go shout, he go bring awareness come make people wan say dey for outside come see, so that if there any possibility they wan say or say revive this person, so we say one let go, so any chances dey dem fit still revive this person. This girl she ready finish, she get the mind to take carry this man ATM to go withdraw 380,000. that one never finish o. Then she come clean herself, come wash her body, she come ready fine, come take go house when be say he and the papa and the mama dey live for the house, because according to her she say na from house na she dey go school and na 300 level student for University of Lagos UNILAG. Lis ten o, for all this matter so now till when be say police don come take arrest you from your own papa house, na your papa and mama come take know say this kind of a thing dey happen. Okay, now we dey hear say police dey come see 10 million for your account, so you come talk now say since all this while let me come be say families una need, parents, mothers and fathers una need to dey put eye down for una children body, because you dey hustle, you wan put food for table, maybe say your pikin take hit, your pikin dey go school, no mean say you come dey blind, say you know your eye no dey reach ground dey look your pikin body make you see your pikin development, make you dey see how your pikin take dey go school or not, how your pikin behaviour take dey change. Imagine o, know how wey be say this girl since wey be say take dey friend this man now for about 4 to 5 months, so they no never see anything like expensive gift for him body, they no go ever see anything like new trendy clothes for him body, but the family so they shut up, they keep quiet, they no ask this girl, you be see this girl for the see money. Now e don happen now, they come to say I no know, na church girl, na innocent girl, no know yet for see this kind of character, maybe na for papa side for carry this kind of character come, maybe na for mama side for the carry this kind of character come, maybe na friends so be say they don influence someone say for carry this character come, but none of the parents fit ever come outside make they take caution this girl, make they ask this girl say how far she dey see her money, even though this girl lie say in dey work, in dey do ocean to take get money. Na for the papa and the mama responsibility to take waka go far, make dem look at whether this girl business dey legit, because they being our parents dey put eye for our matter for this thing so be say dey happen for Nigeria society. So I no lie you, all this yahoo for reduce, all this thief for reduce, all this social media trendy clothes everything all this one wey say our youth dey go dey put hand for bad things, all of them for reduce. Because our society no just start for society or say because the Nigeria government no good, our society start from home. The father and the mother responsibility to take care of this child, or take care of a child the way we say go take grow, we say go take dey useful and relevant to the society. If not for the one we say they praise people, when we say they do all this kind of social life, people won't say they flaunt, people won't say they flex money. All these things so for no dey happen. If you look this girl, so you look this girl as you dey look her hair, so you look at like person wey be say she dey chop 5 million. I believe say, I don't know, I'm just saying my mind though, I believe say this girl she get underground checks, she get who give her support team, e get who dey strong for her back gidigba. Come to think of it, forget say Nigeria, no forget say Nigeria na one kind society wey be say if they catch thief, if thief no get level, the way they go take beat the thief, or if they catch say person go kill person, if that person no get level, the way they go take catch that person, beat that person before they go even carry microphone sef put am for the person mouth make the person take confess. But look this girl now, she also fit sit down jejeje, they dey interview am as if say maybe say na Buhari pikin, they even dey carry am pep sef to tell you say this girl don be surprised, you go get backup when be say she take get the mind to take do this thing. So you know one thing you go see person when be say e do bad thing if you dey question the person, you go see that person the sign of remorse, that person go dey feel sorry for wetin be say him do, say the thing no dey right, the thing no dey supposed to, e go really dey guilty of that bad thing wey be say e do. But look this girl, she dey even dey talk say she dey scratch corner of her ear, that one na body language of say they write something for script for am make she take talk, say make she talk like that, na the way say she go take dey safe, na the way be say lawyer go fit take defend her. Okay, make we think of it o, we'll come back to the matter again. You wan be say if you married man wey say get wife you get children, now you go dey follow 21 years old now dey abuse drugs, dey smoke, dey drink different kind of rubbish, say because say you wan cash fund. At the end of the day now your life come kpeme for inside, so who come lose? The one we say pay me pass, we say na the disgrace when we say this man so bring into a family. Just imagine if this man pikin now come grow now, what he go talk say him kill papa? Say because say papa dey unfaithful to him mama, then the side chick be say dey unfaithful, so now come be the side chick be say send papa to early grave. So my sister, my brothers, and my own opinion now I bring for this matter. So if you get anything we say you want contribute, so don't forget to leave them for the comment section below, and make you follow me for my Facebook, Instagram and YouTube gist na food. Until I see you for my next video, bye bye.